Sorry, that doesn't work that way. But hi guys! So I just wrapped up my Redbubble sticker unboxing, and I'm pretty sure that one has not even been gone up yet. But anyways, so let's get to this. I got lovely items. I know exactly what this is because I bought it and I was following the track code. And it's like, you know, oh, let's see if this works. Oh, it works. Oh, it smells. Jesus. Holy shit. Oh, no. You know what this smells like? House paint. Oh, that's gross. So anyways, I bought, what is this called? Vanity Planet brushes, because I was looking for brushes. Sorry you can't see my face. I was reaching to throw away the receipt. I bought Vanity Planet brushes. And the reason why I bought these brushes was because I was looking through brushes at like 2 or 3 in the morning or something like that, and I stumbled across Jules, I don't know her YouTube name, but Jules, she had a review on them, and I was like, yo, 70% off. And I checked and I was like, this is fucking $100. And after you apply the code, it's like 30 something dollars. I paid about $36 after shipping and everything. But I was like, dude. And it's supposedly vegan, so everything is synthetic. And I was looking on reviews, and because I couldn't really find reviews for these, or long-term on reviews after people have used them for like a while. Most of the time, the reviews that I stumbled across were like 2 or 3 weeks. So I was like, oh, well, it's only 30 bucks I spent for 15 pieces, 15 brushes. And I was like, well, whatever. It's not a big deal. But anyways, I will show you the unboxing. So it comes in this Vanity Planet blue ass box. That's like a foot tall or something like that. I don't even know. I don't have a ruler, so I can't guess. Well, I do have rulers, but that's on the other side of my room. So, and it says Vanity VP palette, and it says professional and portable makeup, and their VP hashtag, and their Vanity Planet website. The box is a little bit banged up, but I think that's because the stuff inside is a little bit big for the box. Just a little bit. And on the back, it tells you what is inside, and it includes 15 brushes, like what it includes, what it's made with, synthetic bristles, and then a roll case, and it's made in China. Yeah. Well, it was that or the Morphe brushes, and the Morphe brush sets, people were like half-half. Like, I was trying to find the latest reviews and stuff, and it was like half-half. So I was like, oh, well, let's try something else. And then Sephora and all the professional makeup brands, their brushes are their brush set, like beginner brush sets, are really expensive. And I keep twitch blinking. Their beginner brush sets are really expensive. They're like $45 or something like that, or $60 for like, what, 8 brushes? And I was just like, Anyways, smells like leather. Inside, you get a 50 off on your next purchase with cute code. I don't think you could have seen the code anyways, so it doesn't matter. And then a 1-year warranty, and then it gives you a little pamphlet that explains what the brushes are, I believe, and what they do, and how to clean them, things of sorts, and awesome. I probably need to keep this. Put that on the back. And inside, you also get your roll case thingy. Oh shit! No. It smells absolutely terrible. Like it smells like air spray, spray paint, brush paint. Gross. But it rolls out. Still smells disgusting. And then brushes. I don't know what these brushes are. I don't know what they do. Like, brushes are new to me. The whole makeup scene is new to me. So, yeah. I guess I'll read and show you as best as I can. So, number 1. This is a kabuki brush. And, ooh, this is fluffy as hell, y'all. It is really fluffy, and I think I need to wash these, air these out, because they stink. Disgusting. What is that? There's a bit of metal in this. So, just looking at this brush is pretty cool, but I just found a bit of metal right here that probably, I hope, can come out. Probably pinch that out later. A lot of stray loose hair bits that you really can't tell because this camera doesn't focus, but anyways, next one. Brush 2. It comes with this lovely slip case thing. It's a powder brush. The wood smells like a car, which is kind of weird. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother. I need to wash these. Oh, also came with plastic for your handles. Plastic handles. More plastic. Brush 3 is a flat top stippling brush. I'm gonna take these out, put them on the side, go wash them once I'm done. Or at least rinse them off, whatever, air them out, some crap like that. I think this is 4. It's a flat angled contour brush. 5 is a liquid foundation brush. This is pretty small though. It's kind of medium size, which is pretty cool. 6 is a large fan brush. Very nice. Very, very nice. Smells funny. 7 is concealer. 8 is blender, medium, smudging, and crease. Ew, it is letting out some baby ass hair. What is this? 11, I think, is dome shader. Precision concealer, liner brush, and 14 is an angled lining brush, and 15 is missing. Oh no. Oh no. Does it come out? How do you do this? Oh shit. It comes out and it's a lip liner brush, except it's kind of really hard to open. But yeah. That was all for $100 without coupon code. Coupon code I got $30. pretty much, you guys. Awesome. So, I don't have an opinion on these, but I'm gonna hopefully be able to find something to try them out on. But if they don't work, whatever. They're like $30 anyways for a set of 15, and it's not a big deal, I guess, for beginner brushes, even if they aren't really worth it for beginner brushes. But I guess there are other better solutions for beginner brushes. But either way, I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.